Hi guys. In this video, I am going to show you how to download VirtualBox on step by step. VirtualBox is a powerful virtualization product for enterprise and home use. Welcome to Breakittup. Let's get started. First, choose your favorite browser. Open the browser and search VirtualBox. Click on the first link. Click on VirtualBox 7.0.2, it will be the correct version. Download your current platform. Download Windows host. And also download the VirtualBox extension pack. The extension pack binaries are released under the VirtualBox Personal Use and Evaluation License, PUEL. Please install the same version extension pack as your installed version of VirtualBox. After it downloaded, open the file while double-click. Install the software. It will take some time to install. I will already installed and added some virtual machines. Double-click the VirtualBox extension pack and install the extension pack. In the following video, I will show how to add the machines to VirtualBox. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. For the update, notifications, click on the bell icon. More videos. Thank you.